In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive offline. Whether you're gearing up for a long flight or prepping for some remote work in areas with questionable internet access, having your files available offline is a necessity. Today we're diving into how to ensure your important documents and files on OneDrive are available to you, no matter where you are online or off. First off, let's get started by ensuring we can access our OneDrive account. The journey begins by navigating to the Microsoft homepage. Once there, locate and click the Sign In button to get started. This is your first step into a larger world of cloud storage convenience. Then it's all about accessing your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in carefully to avoid any typos that can thwart your access. After you've inputted your email, hit the Next button to proceed. Following that, you're going to be asked for your password. This is your key to unlocking all your documents and files stored in the cloud. So make sure you enter it correctly. After successfully entering your credentials, you might encounter a screen asking if you want the system to remember you. If you're using a personal device, clicking yes can streamline your login process in the future, saving you a bit of time. Once you've navigated through the sign-in process, it's time to get to the heart of the matter, accessing OneDrive and making your files available offline. On the Microsoft homepage or within your account dashboard, look for the All Microsoft option, usually found at the top of the page, and click on it. From the drop-down or the next page, depending on the layout, select OneDrive. This will direct you to the OneDrive section of Microsoft's ecosystem. Here you might need to sign in again, specifically into your OneDrive account. Now that you're within the OneDrive dashboard, go straight to Home, OneDrive to view all your files and folders. You'll likely land in the My Files section by default, but if not, go ahead and select My Files to see everything you've stored in OneDrive. Here's where it gets exciting. Find the file or folder you need offline access to. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon, also known as the More Options button, beside or below the file or folder name, depending on your view. Click on this icon to unveil a list of actions you can take regarding that file or folder. Among the list of options, you'll find the Download button. Clicking Download initiates the process to save the file directly to your device, making it accessible without an internet connection. Remember, while working offline, any changes you make won't sync back to OneDrive until you're back online. It's always a good practice to upload your updated files to OneDrive once you have internet access again, to ensure all your devices are synced up with the latest version of your documents. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to make any document or file from your OneDrive available offline. This ensures that you're always prepared, no matter the connectivity. As you can see, with just a few clicks, you can navigate through the OneDrive portal to select and download the files you need access to, regardless of your internet connection. So go ahead, give it a try. Ensure your key documents are always within reach, making your life a little easier and far more productive. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide makes managing your digital life a breeze, especially when you're off the grid. Now go forth and conquer your offline work with confidence, knowing that everything you need is right at your fingertips, thanks to OneDrive.